What's up, guys? Hey, Anthony here at inGear. And today we are in Ventura, California, one of my favorite cities, and we're gonna be doing a food tour. I heard something about some awesome fish tacos and a churro donut, so we're gonna go hard. And since I don't wanna expend as many calories as the camera guy, I got an e-bike by Propella, so we're gonna unbox it.
I think we should shoot it over there.
Where?
Across the way.
Like across the train tracks?
Yeah, it's gonna look a lot better over there.
Okay, well, we can't drive there, so we'd have to carry this across the... Are you serious?
Let's just do it.
All right, let's do it. Hey, it's not so heavy. Ah! I'm gonna try the tip method. Yeah, I only got one leg, huffing this bike up the stairs. Oh, we did it. Oh man, what a bummer. It's harder than it looks.
2 hours later.
Come on, bro. There's a parking lot right here. We could have drove right here. You made me carry this the whole time? Come on, man. So what do you think?
I don't know, I think it kind of looks better over there.
What do you mean over there? All right, guys, so here we are. We have officially landed in our unboxing location, close to the restaurants we're gonna try on this food tour. But first, we're gonna get this out of the box so I can ride it and burn some calories. You have a different knife? Hey! All right, so this is from a company called Slice. And if you can see, there's this little tiny thing right here. Well, that's what cuts it, but it doesn't cut your fingers. It's the weirdest technology. It's ceramic, it's Slice, it's awesome. Here we go, done. Look at this, watch here. See that? Like, it's such a trippy little thing. I love it, it's so cool. You can keep it on your keys. Boom, look at that, easy as pie. Also, to help us cut the zip ties, Slice also makes scissors out of ceramic. They also make scissors. Slice. The cool thing about this company is ceramic, so it definitely just doesn't cut you. It's the weirdest thing, but it definitely cuts the zip ties, so let's get going on this unboxing. I don't know why I'm yelling. Woo. Don't show that on camera. So I think, look, it didn't cut me, but I thought it was going to, so it scared me.
No more appendages.
No more appendages. My wife would be so mad. Plus my insurance might go up. It is, I just don't want to cut the tires. Actually, I'm just gonna pull this out. All right, so this is our first single speed e-bike that we've reviewed on our channel. Check out how thin these tires are. These are awesome. Love their marketing, love their branding. Let's give it a whirl. Very light bike. Look at that. Look at the blue. Matches the handicap spot I'm in. Ha ha. Hey. Dang, look at that. Clean products. There's the skewer. All right, so there we have it. We unboxed it successfully. It was very easy, only took us a few minutes. Here's what I love most about it. It's so light. So it's gonna be awesome because now I gotta carry it all the way back over the overpass because I left the air pump and I need to inflate the tires before I put this guy on it. But we're gonna roll this out and we are gonna go get some food in Ventura, one of my favorite cities. Let's go. Oh yeah. Let's go get them tacos. I love that this looks like a water bottle. I think that that's genius because it will just pass like it's not an electric bike. So people will be like, what the heck? Why is that guy so cool? We don't have to include that part. Let me start over. All right, so we haven't,